Ouch! Yala, eat your hand. Eat your hand for the meantime while waiting the food.
Are you angry? Are you angry? Huh? Huh? Are you tired? Oh! Are you tired? So, Hadalis, what are you doing? May para kang aso. Omar? 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 Do you want to sing? Do you want to sing? Ah! Anong song gusto mo? Uy! Pagkananam. Omar, your cheeks become red. Ah!
Ang ilong. Yala.
Just stand up if you want. What are you doing? What are you doing? Omar? Omar? Ha? Don't blow. Oy, don't be naughty. Oh, my naughty. Oh, my naughty. Stop blowing, amor. Stop blowing. Stop blowing, stop blowing. Naughty, that eyes. Amori. Amori. Hoy. Ate Nil. Ate Nil. Cool, Ate Nil. Ate Nil. Please. Prepare my lunch. Because Omar's tummy is so hungry. Wait. What kind? Elato. Yako, Ate Nil. Oy.
Ay, pahabol.
What's that? What's that? Huh? What's that? Who's that? Ate Nil. Please. Prepare my lunch. I'm so hungry. Can I get up? You drink Motilium?
I finished 1 hour ago.
An hour ago. Oh my goodness. Let's say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye. Look at me.
I am ready to eat.
Look at me. Bye-bye.